think we're live. Let's get into it. And let me just go over the strategy for those who are rewatching the live stream. I got you. Let's see. The ones who actually put it in the work. Okay, let me just make sure everything is up so I can make sure you can see everything correctly. There we go. All right, so let's get to the strategy real quick. I should go get a water real fast. Might skip 10 seconds. All right, water, so I'm ready to rock and roll. Okay. Swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high. Right here, swing high, swing low, swing high. Basically, you can say that every down candle is a swing low and every white candle is swing high. So let's see these lines right here. Swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high. So obviously I'm looking for zones. I want the tap, so I'll get the swing low and the swing high. Swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low. So I'm looking for a sweep. You can also say it's a breaker structure. So looking for a sweep. And then we want it to close above the previous swing high. If this was bearish, I want it to close swing low. So we break, and we then create our zone. So let's show you this example right here. Swing low, swing high. There's a sweep right here. And let's see if you want me to draw it, I can. Let me just add this to favorites. Okay, so the sweep is right here. And let me change it to different colors so it stands out more. Let's do yellow. Okay. So then the swing low, the swing high, and then we're looking for the tap, and we want to break a structure out to the tap. So here's the tap, and then obviously it did break structure. And what does break a structure mean? When price goes up and down, it breaks this line right here. It breaks this line, break a structure. It breaks it. Same thing for the downside, breaking structure. Okay, so let's get rid of these drawings. So we got our sweep. Make that yellow. Okay, so we got our sweep, our swings, tap, breaker structure out to the tap. We want it to reach 1 SCDV. That means 2 times the zone. 1 SCDV is standard deviation. I'll have to favorite that also. Okay. Standard deviation is 2 times the zone, so let's just copy it. 100% away from the zone. Yes, it is. Okay. Sorry, I just did not have any of this ready. And last but not least, so we reached standard deviation. We had our breaker structure out to the tap. We then have our limit order at 50%. We would only take our order off if we tap more than 2 times after standard deviation. So standard deviation is 100% away from the zone. We like crossed it right here. So we crossed it right there. We come up, we have 1 tap, that's okay. 2 tap, that's okay. 3rd tap, that is not okay. We take the order off. If it did not tap a 3rd time, I just tapped, we're still okay. It would then come in, fill me at 50. My take profit is right here on this line. My stop is 1 tick above here. Today I'm gonna release a snippet from the mentorship. I was gonna do it yesterday, but I had to work on the mentorship more. So then you can just like you can also just use a free trial on the mentorship. I have it in the link below. But I'm working on the course right now, so you just want to give me like a day or end of day to finish it. But you can go through the course and get a more in depth on this, and then watch the live streams and the backtest videos to gauge a better view. And this works on any time frame. Like right here, let me show you. You see the sweep right here? This is the 15-minute. The sweep, the tap right here, obviously standard deviation, and then less than 3 taps, it filled 50%, then it hit TP. Super easy, super simple. It's mechanical. You're not going to struggle at all. And if you're a struggling trader right now, I just highly recommend just drop everything you're doing and just stick to this. Because you're failing because you don't have conviction in your strategy, or you're lacking behaviors. And I go over that on a video I created. It's called like being profitable in 19 minutes. I talk about the behaviors I need to work on for traders. So I look into that too. I have my journal ready here also on the side. The plan is 3 trades, 2 losses, and I'm only risking $100 a trade. I'm doing this because I want you to do the same, especially during your combines or evals. Um, just manage risk. You manage risk by limiting trades. Okay, so I don't start trading until 9:40, so I need to wait for that to happen. While we're waiting for that, I'm gonna do the initial balance. That's just from 8:30 to 9:30 Central Time. So first hour open. Let's see, I have fibs for that also, fib retracement. Yeah, so 8:30 is. Ooh, this is gonna be a tough one. Hold on. Let me. I have to go in the lower time frame to see where 8:30 was at. Oh, that sucks. Okay, so it's right here. Okay, so it's gonna be from here to. Oh, I can't see. I don't know this. 9:30. Okay, it's right here. Then we get the highest and lowest sweep from. Oh, it's really like not. Whatever. So the market out anyways. It's a trash zone. Okay. Yeah, we just dumped as soon as we opened. I don't ever trade the open. Ever, ever. There's too much volatility. And the strategy works best in stable volatility. Okay, let me mark out this zone here. Okay. I might make this one bigger. Okay, let me look at the higher time frame. So on the we have a 15-minute zone. Here's our tap on the 15-minute zone. The tap again. I'm not gonna take the 15-minute zone, but I use it to gauge direction. Using the same strategy, we can understand where the market is going. And I have all these lines too to tell me. These blue lines are London from 3 o'clock to 8 o'clock Central Time. For some reason, we always react to it. So, okay. I always mark them out. Alrighty, I think that's it. This play, I don't think I'm gonna play it. Maybe just right now, not interested. Solely because I feel like we haven't really grasped that were bearish. I needed to cross this line right here because this is a high time frame zone. If you're watching this live, I condemn you. I really recommend that you comment questions, ask anything. I'd love to help you. Take advantage of the mentorship. I have a free trial on it. So, and for the people who are in the Discord, I'm gonna give them a 30-day free trial, so you can like get on a call and I can help you just get clear direction. And if you want to stay, you stay. If you don't want to stay, you don't stay. It's that easy. Just take advantage of what I have to offer. You're not gonna find it anywhere else. Everywhere else is gonna constantly keep you in a charging loop of questions and constant ideas, and you just don't want that. You just want clear direction, and then all you need to do is take action on that direction. So look, I'm liking this. I just need it to close, and it just won't close. Oh, it wigged. All right. So I'm gonna just do my phone real quick. I got a new card that I need to activate, and my wife's trying to use it. Um, okay, let's see. Um, I don't know how to do it exactly. But I don't see no plays right now. We're just coming to the downside. So I am interested in this play up here. So if we come back up, I'll take it. Here, let me just put the order on there, just so I have it ready. Six contracts. 100. Yep. Sell 5. Sell 1 more. Let's turn this into main. There he goes. Okay. I see something here. No, it's ugly. No, it's too deep. Okay. Let's go. I like it. Okay, I need to activate my card. I don't know how to do that. Activate your card. 90, 50, yeah. Figure it out. It shouldn't take long. Just give me a second. 12, 20. Okay. Yeah, it's done. Okay. Should be active. All right. I've been wanting to play music. I just need to do some tests before I do it on the live stream. So maybe tomorrow. I don't know if I can trade tomorrow because a holiday. Is the stock market open? 11:28. I remember trading will be closed early on Friday. Yeah, so it'll be closed Thursday. We'll close early. Yes, I think I remember trading like the day after something. Like volatility was just like super super slow. It was like trading Asia session. Okay. We'll see if we come back up to take that play that I was interested in. Um, Oh, let me organize that. There it goes. The strategy is so easy. I can just draw it out. Let me show you. Look just like this. Up, down, up, down. Then we look for the sweep. Then we close above. Want to tap on the zone, break a structure, and then we enter at 50% and then take profit. Here's a swing high, swing low. Here's that zone right there. Here's a sweep, the tap. I obviously drew the zone bad, but you get it. The break a structure. So easy. It's the same thing again and again and again. So the 15-minute. So yeah, this zone became invalid. What I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna put a line. Do I have a white? I do not. So let's do this real quick. Dashed. Okay. Now let's save it real quick. High time frame. Save. I'm gonna put one in the middle too. There it goes. And then I can get rid of this. 15 minutes. So I can catch it actually. Let's see. Yeah. Boom. Okay. awesome. So I don't need that zone in the back anymore. I just now understand that this is the bottom of that 15-minute zone. I believe there was like a 1 hour that was holding right here. Yeah, we're just tapping this 1 hour zone. It's 15-minute, but let's see. Oh yeah, look, it's 50% of the 1 hour that we're filling right now. Yeah, you see it right here. Look, even if I put the fib, I can find out where 50% is at. Yeah, just about. Got real close. Let's see if we get filled up here. Ooh, I see this play, but I don't know. I don't know. I might take it. Normally, the second swings deliver pretty nicely. See this first swing right here, and the second clear swing with the sweep. I like these. Clear tap also on it. And more likely you might get a nice reaction to it too. Let's do a long position. And then let's do 5. Okay, hold on. This is risking $100 per zone. Let's do 5. Buy 5. See. Hurt. Sorry, I texted my wife back. My apologies. Didn't mean to go blank there. All right, I'm really interested in this zone above. We'll see. I like this zone a lot because this white line was a 15-minute zone that we sliced through. But also in this area is the middle of a 1 hour zone. And the top of that 1 hour zone, coincidentally, is that London blue line. Okay. We're just sitting and staring. Oh, this is a pretty zone up here. Just like not a full proper sweep. Too many equal highs. Okay. What news do we have today? Job claims. Anything else? Oh yeah, we're good. Okay. It's that nasty dump at the open. Just be gambling. Oh, look, this is a nice play. Especially with this low right here. I just don't think I want to take it because it's at a proper sweep. I'll mark it out though, so you can see what I'm talking about. I'll make it green. I'll make it red. Let me get rid of this too. It's unnecessary. Yeah. I'm liking both these plays so far. The 1 minute. Very nice, very nice. See this 15-minute zone. Okay, okay. I like this zone a lot because the displacement to the upside is just too perfect. And obviously the pullback on the zone. But I want like a proper sweep, and they didn't give me it, so I wouldn't take this. But if I did get a sweep, I would take it. You could also say it's like a sweep of accumulation, but I feel like you're just forcing it at that point. I didn't get much sleep last night because my son kept crying all night. Um, he's like has like a fever or something. I think he's just growing. He's so young still. Yeah, I like this still. I want a reaction. If we slice through, I'm just gonna take it off. See. Do I see anything else here? No, I don't. See something, but it's not really a proper zone. It filled. Tap. Technically, you can say it's tap. I don't think even reached standard deviation. More likely didn't. Yeah, I did not. Come on. Come feel me. Come feel me. I'm liking how everything looks so far. I was thinking about like just wearing headphones too, so I can like listen to music. But I want you to listen to music also. But I just gotta get more opinions on that. Hello, good sir. I didn't even see that you commented. Oh man, and you left too before I even realized. Come on, come on, come feel me. I always want to do something like super extra, like just for like clips and stuff. When I take a win or loss, I just need like one viral clip or like one thing to catch on the algorithm. Like just jokingly, use shooting laser beams or lights every time I take a win or loss. Because this is so insanely boring. Oh, I did not like how we sliced through there. Did not like that at all. Oh, I didn't have time to take my order off. I did not like that. Yeah, my stop's gonna get hit here. That was ugly. See, I normally want a reaction before entering, but I didn't get one. My TP hit anyways. But yeah, if I didn't catch it in time, I would have taken my order off. Let's just document it. Even yesterday too, I saw zones were filling before reacting. I just don't like that. Okay, let me put this down. I'll journal right in front of you too, so you can see. I didn't like how we didn't react before entering. Um, I think that was just basically it. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Well, that's our first trade. It's a win. So we're up one right now. I want this zone up here too. I want to take this one. I like this one a lot. But it's even if we can get to it. Nice. Okay, let's turn this green now. So we're not going to trade anymore. We already took the trade. Yippee. Okay. We just sit and stare until we find another play. And let's, if you want me to go over real quick for those watching, it's so easy. It's so simple. It's so mechanical. Swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high. Look at the candles right here. I'm gonna turn them into lines. Swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low. Basically, every candle or down candle is a swing low. So like right here, you see the swing low, swing high, swing low. So like I swing high, swing low. right here, swing high, swing low. And then we look for the sweep. Tap, break a structure out of the tap. We reach 100% away from the zone. We want less than 2 taps on the zone. We don't need the taps after standard deviation, but if we do get them, we need less than 2. And then we enter 50%, TP above, stop below. We'll keep coming and going. And some getting eyes. Oh, the zone delivered. I didn't even notice. I like the zone a lot. Yeah, look, it delivered 50%. I like the zone because the bottom of it had a higher time frame zone. Even though it already got mitigated, it's just like more confluence, like a resistance line. For those who are rewatching this live stream, um, and if you have any ideas or anything you want to make a video on, or anything that you just specifically need help on, message me, go to Discord, ask me. Just take advantage of what I have to offer, please. It's gonna, especially since I'm like so small right now, I don't have many people watching. Just take advantage of what I have to offer before I start getting too crowded. I just like only put like 3 content pieces, and I've already have like over 40 people. It's like so insane to me, but it just means I'm providing value. So just take advantage of what you can now before it's too late. I really want to hire mentors um, that I mentor. So like if the people I mentor and if they want to become mentors, which I would prefer they can or they would, so they can mentor others. So because they went through the exact same journey, and then they'll know exactly what to do to help somebody else. I don't know if you can see the cat that's walking by. Hopefully it doesn't make a mess here. Come here, cheese. Come here. Come here. Come here. Here, I'll let him trade for you. Meow 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 meow. Mm-mm. Okay. That'd be funny if I can just have him floating here. What do you got to say to everybody? Oh, he said that your losses should be due to only probability. Mm. Ain't that the truth? For some reason, too, he likes to be tapped. It's so weird. Don't know why. Like, loves being slapped. So odd. I've never met a cat that likes this. He starts like squeezing and stuff. Like he loves it. All right, big dog. You gonna let me trade or nah? Let's see. Do I see a nah? Don't see nothing. Well, we're up 1R, so that's good. Yo. Yo, got another cat here. This is Bat. Bat, what do you got to say? Oh, she said that if you're filled with too much instant gratification, outside trading, you got to get it fixed because it will leak into trading. Good advice from her. Let's see. Okay, so I see that we're rejecting this area. We necessarily haven't broke it yet. Oh, one of the caches through my water. Mm, 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 mm. So we come back up here. I see a zone right here. I really only like it because initial balance is this orange line right here. Initial balance is just the first hour open of the session. You can say that's a tap. I'm pretty sure it's a more cleaner tap on the 1 second. Let's see if we can see it. Yeah, see, there's a tap. See, it's more proper sweep of everything. This is the 1 second time frame. A lot of like minuscule trades. See, I'm kind of curious if this 1 second zone delivered. So I'm looking at it real quick. It did not. It's funny. Okay. Sorry. Yeah, so this zone's definitely holding. Seems like we're still bearish. Or here's a bigger zone. I don't know if I'd even be able to take this trade because the zone's too big. Yeah, I wouldn't. I'd risk like way more than I need to. Yeah. I don't want to take this to be honest, mostly because initial balance is right here. Oh, you know what? I think I want to take this. There's a fair value gap right at the 50%. That's enough to convince me. I do want a reaction before entering. Let's see. 6 contracts. Limit sell 5. Limit sell 1. Okay. Let's even if we busted this, it's pretty stable. Ranging. I don't know what to do. Like sometimes I feel like I want to like have a YouTube video or something or a show playing, but I don't even know if I can even live stream the show. I started like I don't have like a lot of time to watch shows or movies. When I do, it's like snippets of like small windows, like when I'm eating or something. So like I've been trying to like tackle the Fast and Furious movies, and I didn't like it was they're cool, but like I didn't realize how like random and wild, honestly, like a bit childish they are. Like they're just like so like just so random. But it's still cool. But like, it takes me like I want to say like a week and a half just to finish a movie because I'm watching it like in small windows of time. Oh man, like I have a wife too now, so like I have to watch. If I want to watch something that she wants to watch, we have to both find the time to watch at the same time. It's pretty tough. It take us like a month just to finish something. Like we watched the movie. I think it was called like White Girls. It's like a funny movie. And it took us like just I want to say like almost 3 weeks to finish it. We started Arcane recently. It's really cool. Um, the baby wasn't sleeping and stuff, so she was like, "I want to watch another episode." I was like, "Fine, we'll stay up." But I get up early regardless. So like like every hour I had to get up to go take care of this damn baby. Um, but he's better now. He's all happy and shit now. Uh, he's only like uh uh 2 3 months older, or yeah, 2 years and like 3 months. He's really young still. I always like forget he's just like not my little bro. Like he's my son. Yeah, cause like spend so much time with him and I see him 24/7. So when I see videos or pictures of him, I'm like, oh shit, like he's a baby still, like he's tiny. Oh man, don't get me wrong though, I'm tired. Yeah, I really want something to happen here. There's this 15-minute zone that I like. I don't really understand why I. Oh, it's the 1 hour. That's why. Stupid. There it goes. More clear. It's like I don't understand why I just marked out that candle. I know I did it for a reason. It's just because it's on the 15-minute. I didn't have the 15-minute pulled up. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Yeah. There's a reaction to the 15 minutes on there. 50% of this 15-minute is right here. Actually, we can see where 40% is at. Yeah, it's 40%. So if we like came here and then came to the blue, this one's mitigated. High time frame. I wish people were more active in my Discord, but um, I know everything's just so brand new still, so I obviously need to do more so they can be. It's quite boring, isn't it? It's quite boring. See, I did like this Eternal Swing, but I just didn't like how I have to wait for it. Damn, I should have went for it. Oh. Oh, come Marketplace is live. Okay. Mm-mm. Just gonna sit and stare for the next. I can read this book that I've been wanting to. I didn't get to read this morning that I've been trying to tackle. Might just do that. See. All right. We get something or something happens. Let me see. I don't see nothing right now. No. Okay. Okay. So I'll start reading this book. Trading is one of the most challenging occupations because tradings routinely face working conditions that they cannot control. Psychological research suggests that one important basis for self-confidence is self-efficiency. The perception that we can control outcomes that are important to us, but how can we sustain self-confidence as traders if we cannot control whether we make money from day to day? A trader recently called and expressed frustration with his performance. Markets were moving well, and the most part, he was catching the direction correctly. He entered positions aggressively, but then was stopped out at the worst times when the market made sharp. So I'm looking at these trades on the screen right now. I think I see something, but don't really like it. Let me see if I can mark it out. Nah, I don't think I'm gonna take this trade, but yeah, it's just I got like way too close. Let's leave it red. Oh, okay. Let's see here. I won't take this, but it's obviously something here. Okay. Do I see anything else? Nope. Okay. Seems like we're going to the downside. Short counter trend moves. When we reviewed his trading statistics. I'll look to see if the zone delivers or not. I want to find out if it will. I wouldn't have taken it though because it's just so small and all those taps on it. Yep, it delivered. How funny is that? Yeah, that definitely gave TP. Um, we found that his average win size exceeds his average loser, but that he had many more losing trades than winners. The steady drumbeat of losing trades was eroding his self confidence. So, what was the problem? Our trader was waiting for markets to begin moving in the anticipated direction and then entering with full size. By the time he lifted an offer or hit a bid, the market had already made a short term move and was ripe for profit, taken by scalpers. His full size made these counter trend moves intolerable, and his risk management rules ensured that he had no staying power with his ideas. The market was controlling him, he was not in control of his trading. The loss of self confidence was inevitable. Don't see no play here. I see something which not. No, it's not something I would trade. There's this right here. But we need standard deviation before we even consider this. Um, The key to regaining self confidence in such a situation is to turn the focus from making or losing money. Oh my god. Sorry, my wife is texting me. Okay. Key, regaining confidence. Focus is making money or losing money. Sexual process trading. We initiated a simple unit sizing rule in which the trader could only enter positions with one unit. His maximum size was 3 units. If the position went his way, but then experienced a normal retracement, he added a second unit. The position did not go his way. He maintained a defined stop loss point and ensured a minimal loss, given that his size was 1/3 his maximum. The trader could not control the market movement, but he could control his position sizing. No clear tap there. So he wants to fill the zone. The process focus promoted a sense of self efficiency, which essentially to recapture his confidence. Basically, this trader was just going in full port on each trade, and then he found out that he should just, or his boss told him to go in with one contract, and then if it does move in the direction you needed to move, he added, and if it did not, it hit his stop, so he minimized his losses. Because before the market was controlling him, now he's controlling what he can't control, and that's his risk. You control how you trade, the market controls how and when you'll get paid. This is one reason that trading with rules is so important. You can't control your P&L statement, but you can't control whether you adhere to trading rules. Your focus becomes one of trading well, not one of making money. Every rule followed, every market traded well is a successful experience in the process. Sense. Over time, profits results as long as the results are sound, but the confidence comes from self-mastery. Another powerful source of self-efficiency is preparation. When you prepare your trading ideas for the day or week, you generate a sense of mental mastery. This is particularly the case when your preparation includes what if scenarios that guide your decision making under a variety of market possibilities. Successful experiences is a powerful source of mastery, and the mental rehearsal of trading plans under various contingency generates a form of experiences. As a psychologist, I'm impressed by the degree to which traders who prepare rigorously feel as though they deserve to win. The same sense is missing among those who casually scan newspapers, charts, and websites, and then plunk themselves down at the trade station to place their orders. Many traders confuse self-confidence and positive thinking. Self-confidence is not expecting the best. It's knowing deep inside that you can handle the worst. The self-confidence trader can look a stop loss level in the eye and know that he will be okay if he gets triggered. The self-confident trader knows that loss is part of the game, and that some of our best market information comes from good trade ideas and don't work out. Self-confidence is not cockiness, nor is it viewing the world through rose-colored glasses. The quiet sense, I've been here, I can handle this. I've been here, I can handle this. Let's see, I see something here that I don't want to entertain, but pretty cool. Build 50 just exactly. Tap on the zone. If I get a breaker structure right here, or after this, I'll take this trade right here. But I don't think we're gonna get a breaker structure. Seems like this zone needs to get its fill. There, it failed. Let's see if we get our breaker structure now. Man, I'm so tired. I gotta stretch and stuff real quick. Oh man, I like one on back test while I'm trading. To be honest, sounds crazy, but I can do it. I've been doing this for so long, it doesn't matter. Like I can honestly juggle both. Maybe that's what I should start doing on the side. Okay, well, let's see. Jeez. Okay. Okay, I want to break a structure, and if we don't get it, I'm not gonna take the zone, but I really want to. Oh, sorry for the yawning. Standard deviation for this 1 SCDV. Well, I didn't even reach it. Pretty cool. I really need to break a structure. Cold in this house right now. I think I'll be right back. I am back. Sorry. To recap, I've taken one trade. It was a win, and we've just been waiting for another setup. I want to take this play right here, but I needed to break the structure. If you want more of an idea what the strategy is, oh, and you're gone. It's swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, sweep, tap, break a structure out of the tap. Center deviation is 100% away from the zone. And we want less than 2 taps in the zone. After standard deviation, we do not need taps. So we will put our order after standard deviation. And then if we get 2 taps, it's okay. If we get a third tap, we take the order off. Put it back over here. If you have questions, please ask. I'll help you out. Okay. Let's count. Okay. Um, if you have questions, I'd love to help you too. Also, if you want to get into trading and you've never traded before, I can make a video giving you an introduction to everything, and like so you can get you set up and understand. I kind of made a video that I never posted that teaches like the basics um like what all this like just understanding and grasping all this. Okay, so let's get rid of this sound here. Um, this one I like. I'm taking this now. So I said I'll take it if we get a break of structure here. Let's see. 5 contracts. Buy 5. Let's change this to main. Oops. Main. There it goes. I want this trade now. I like it. Standard deviation was like up here. So we just broke it. And then our tap, our break structure. I like the zone above. I'm a bit unsure about it. But I might take it actually. I want to see. Honestly, might take it actually. Let's see. Tap. Yeah. I think I will. Short. I just want a reaction before entering. So if I don't get a reaction, I'll just take the order off. Uh, Self 6. Let's go gambling. Okay. I'm risking $100 per trade. I'm stopping after 3 trades or 2 losses. So we have 2 more trades before I hop off. I like this play right here a lot because it's aligning with the 15-minute high time frame zone. So 1 minute. Do I see anything here? Yes, I see a 1 minute zone actually. I might be able to go for that low here actually. Let me see. Yeah, might be able to do it. Okay. I'm gonna just sit and wait. I want this play right here, so let's hopefully we get it. See how we look on the day. Oh, just downtrending. Yeah, we're respecting this 15-minute zone. We're just jumping around it. Okay. Here's the 15-minute zone if you want to see it. It's right here. The tap. Got another tap on it. Here's our reaction right here to it. A lot of confluences. It's a good zone. If you don't know what I'm talking about, it's again. Swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low. Sweep. It's basically just like a breaker structure. Tap on the zone. You want to break structure after the tap. Standard deviation 100% away from the zone. And then we have our order at 50%. And if we get more than 2 taps, we take the order off. If we get no taps, perfect. Oh, let me move it out the way actually. There it goes. So yeah, I want this play right here. Let's see. I might go for the eternal swing on this one just because there's a 1-minute zone. I'm doing a whole lot of nothing right now. Just moving sideways. Oh, I do see something on the 1 minute. I didn't realize this. Let's see if I can move it there. Here it is. Yeah, we've been respecting that. I forgot I moved it. Okay, let's see if we get filled here. Come on, buddy. So this is our first tap after standard deviation. If we break this eternal swing right here, I'll count that as 1 tap. So we come back again, it'll be 2 taps. So let's see if we come get filled. Come on, come fill me, come fill me. And more likely it might just yippee. That's what I want. Okay, let's see. So we got a reaction. If we cross this red and then touch the blue, I have to take it off. No! No! Ah, I have to take it off. That sucks. That really sucks. All right, that means I can't take the trade. It got mitigated. That sucks. So if you cross this red line and cross blue, that means the zone's already been filled and I can't take it. This is just how I keep a high win rate. It sucks. I really wanted it, to be honest. Just bored as hell. Sit and watch. Hopefully wait for something else. Oh, look, I see something here. I don't know if I would have taken it, but yeah. That's funny. Main. Yeah, I don't know if I would have taken this. But let's see if it delivers. Put a. I don't think it's going to deliver, though. Just in a chopped zone. Oh, look, I stand incorrected. Never mind, I'll shut up. It's not going to deliver. Yeah. Okay, I'll leave it. If it does, then I can confirm that we're bearish still. I need this to break to stay bearish because we have that 15-minute zone right here. Doing a whole lot of staring. There we go. Yeah, it delivered. That's funny. This is a perfect example, like textbook setup. Sweep, tap, breaker structure, standard deviation. Let me show you right here. Swing low, swing high. Here's a sweep right there. The tap is right here. Obviously the breaker structure. And then we enter at 50%. We have our TP here and our stop one tick above. Super textbook, super mechanical. It's super easy. Don't overcomplicate it. Like I said, I'm gonna have a free 3-day trial on the course, and the people who are on the Discord, I'll give you a free 30-day trial just so y'all can give me input and whatnot. If you want to stay after the trial, that'll be awesome. But if not, it's totally up to you. Just please take advantage of what I have to offer now, before it's too late. I know a lot of traders don't have any direction, like, or don't really know what they're doing, or they think they like created a strategy, but they don't know what they're doing. They don't even know their win rate, or they're just risking up a bunch of random ass amounts of profit. Like, I think like the biggest thing I see is a lot of traders are just like so committed to a strategy that they don't even fully understand themselves. They think they're gonna, like, they'll get funded with it, but a chicken can get funded. Like, I'm not over exaggerating. Like a monkey or goldfish can get funded and reach payout. Like, but they're not gonna be consistent though, because you're just gambling. You can really hop on here and press buy or sell, and you 50% of the time you're gonna win. Okay, yeah, so we're still bearish. I really wish there was more for me to do. Like, I really want to start this back test while I'm trading at the same time. Just so like I'm active. But like, I don't know how I'm gonna fit all that in like one screen. I have to do it on a separate screen, but I don't want you to just watch me not back test. Like, it just wouldn't make sense. I gotta figure it out. Might just need to get a bigger monitor. This is the 5-second time frame, obviously. 1 minute, 15-minute. So yeah, since we respected the zone, if this breaks, I can really confirm that we're bearish. And then we're gonna head for this 50% of the 15-minute zone. And if you want to see the 15-minute one more time, let me make it bigger so you can see. Okay, so let's try to overcomplicate this. So you see right here, the swing high, the swing low in the 15-minute. We have a tap right here too, the tap on that zone, the breaker structure. And then obviously the reaction, and we want less than 3 taps. I'm not gonna take the 15-minute zone, but there's obviously reactions to it. And right now we're reacting to it. So 50%, we'll react to it and come back up. So you have another 15-minute zone for the upside. This one delivered up here too. Swing low, swing high, sweep, the tap, failed 50%, then hit TP. Okay. It's so easy. And there's more opportunity in the lower time frames. Even on like the 1-second chart. If I want to be aggressive, I will trade the 1-second, but I just try not to. I just feel like I'm gambling way too much. You can see a bunch of setups. I like more clear taps too. Okay, let's go back to the 5-second. If you want to trade a lower time frame and you're not sure, like 5 seconds too much for you, like the 15-second is perfect. 15-second is like really slow still, and like you still have to have patience on the 15-second. Okay, so let's get rid of this zone. This zone is the big boy that we keep respecting. I want to take this trade up here. I'm kind of afraid, because this is holding so well. Oh, see, yeah, there's all this accumulation, but we'll see. We'll see. If I do take this, I might go for this box right here, because on the 1 minute, that's where the zone is at. You can see right here. I'll try to draw for if you want me to. Oh, I can't draw right now. Sorry, hold on. See if we get filled. Oh, perfect reaction to the zone. It's exactly what I wanted it to see. Let's see if we get filled. What will be my risk to reward on 1.7? Okay. I'm at 6. Okay, I just want to see something real quick. Oh, no, it's not that much different. Okay, I should leave it alone. Put it back at 50. Okay. I'm liking this so far. Super clean tap on it. Do I see anything to the upside? Nope. Do not. Nope. Yeah. Just a lot of buffoonery. I tried taking this trade down here, but we got way too close to 50%. Let me show you. I have these things that show me 40%. These red lines. Yeah, so we cross that red line. That's the blue line. It means the zone is mitigated for me, so I can't take it. Sucks. Sitting here and waiting for something. Let's put it back to green. Come on, buddy. Come feel me. Let's see. Even if we will get up here, sometimes we won't. Come on. Also, this white dash is the bottom of a 15-minute zone, so it's more confluence on this play. Come on, come on. The only reason I take my order off if we kept tapping, or if we got close to this, we cross this red line and touch this blue, then I'll take my order off. For the new ones that joined, I'll show you the strategy in a second. Just see what happens real quick. I have a picture right here to show you. Let me see if we get filled first. We're coming. So this is what? Tap 1, tap 2. If we break this eternal structure, tap again, and then like break that eternal structure, then I'll take the order off. Which it looks like that's gonna happen, but we'll see. I hope not, because I wanna trade already. Come on, buddy. Come feel me. Come feel me. Please, please. Okay, we're getting there. Oh, no. Nice. Like one tick away. It's annoying. It's real strong. Okay, so we put our, well, like I kind of want to go for the eternal swing here. So let's just go a little bit more. Okay. And if we get our stop hit, we get our stop hit. Also, TP originally would have got hit. So we can get the eternal swing. I want the eternal swing because the 1 minute. Let's see. Also, TP would have been hit there. I'm just sit and wait for it. Since I'm gonna go for the full 1 minute zone. And if my stop gets hit, my stop gets hit. It's whatever. We'll just be break even on the day if it does. So I'm liking it so far. I'll go over the strategy in a second if we get filled or not. So I'm going for here because the 1 minute, if you can see right here, that's this 1 minute zone. This is like a 1.5R, a 1.7R. Let's see. Sitting, staring. Come on, buddy. Oh, I'm not liking it much anymore. Oh, there it goes. It hit that eternal swing that I originally wanted to go for. Let's see if we get the 1 minute zone. Which I think it will. I don't want to play with my take profit too much. And my stop gets hit. My stop gets hit. It is what it is. Let's see. So if I would have just went for the 1-to-1, definitely would have got failed. Sitting and waiting. Let me put it at 100 too, just in case. There it goes. I kind of want to just show you the strategy while this is doing its thing. There's really nothing we can do here. Sweep, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high. Tap, break a structure, 100% away from the zone. Put our order at 50%. And then if we get one tap, that's okay. Two tap, that's okay. Third tap, we take the order off. It's that easy. Sweep right here, tap, break a structure, and then fill 50%. I kind of want to, given how we're reacting, I kind of want to move my TP even further now. So we're just like chopping real nasty here. We got 6 seconds on this 1 minute candle. Let's see how we look on it. 2, 1. Oh, yeah. I kind of want to keep going for more, honestly. Just don't want to play with my TP too much. So it definitely went for the eternal swing. See. Come on, buddy. I know this looks like a lot right here because it's the 5-second chart, but it's still 1 minute, you can see. And let me zoom into this 15. If our stop gets hit, our stop gets hit. It's whatever. Sitting and staring. So normally I have my TP I go for right here. And it did hit it. But I went for more because of 1 minute zone. And that's where TP is at for the 1 minute. If I take the loss, I'm just going to journal this. Nice. Okay, so our stop loss got hit. Let's write it down. And we just journal it. First trade was a win. Second was a loss. TP got hit, but I aimed for the 1 minute zone. The eternal swing got hit. Eternal swing got hit. Got hit, but I had my TP 1 minute, whatever. And then boom. Now we're at break even on the day. We have 1 win, 1 loss. Now we just look for one more. And one more trade. I stop at 11 because when volatility picks up again. And then I like this zone up here that I want to take. So let me extend it out. Let's see. I don't see anything to the upside here. Nice, okay. Let me just sit and stare. Oh, let me show you the strategy. I'm sorry. Okay, so let me turn this to a line. So you see the swing lows, swing highs, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high. Swing high, swing low, swing high. Every down candle is basically a swing low. Let me show you the picture. So we look for swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low. Okay, we get a sweep. We then want to tap on the zone. We want to break a structure after that tap. And we want it to reach standard deviation, 1 SCDV. It does not need to reach standard deviation first, or it just needs to do it eventually. We just will not put our order unless we reach standard deviation. So whenever we reach standard deviation, after standard deviation, it's 100% away from the zone. We want less than 2 taps in the zone. We do not need taps. So if it comes to 50% without any taps, perfect. If it taps 2 times, that's okay. If it taps 3 times, it needs to take the order off. So let me show you this trade right here. it worked out, but I was just trying to go for more. So look, swing low, swing high. Here's a sweep. Here's a tap. The break structure after the tap. It reached 100% away from the zone. So we put our order at 50%. Then we put our take profit at the bottom. We put our stop one tick above. So the zone delivered. And that's it. Just 1-to-1. It's about like an 85% win rate. If you're super selective, if you try to go for more, I average like a 60-70% win rate when I'm trying to go for a higher RR. And I'm gonna have a free trial on the mentorship, so you can have a course teaching you everything. So you just take advantage of it, and you just cancel it before you get charged for it. Or unless you want to stay, that'll be awesome. So yeah, I don't see anything else I would take here. I see something, but it's too sloppy. Yeah, this is way too sloppy. Let's see. Okay. Oops. No, we just sit and stare again. Questions, please ask. You have to subscribe to comment on the live stream. I'd love to help you. Even if you're just like on the start of your trading journey and like you don't really understand what's going on or you just need help, just tell me. I can give you a direction solution. Been doing this for 6 years. Kind of have a solution to everything. But mostly it's because you don't have a strategy that you fully understand. If you have a strategy that you understand, um, you've been backtesting it, you've been journaling it, and you learn from somebody, you've been practicing that one strategy and nothing else, more than likely you're failing because either you're not backtesting enough or you have behaviors you need to fix. And I made a video on that. It's like how to be profitable in 19 minutes. Just look at the behaviors and write them down. And they're just all those behaviors too are specifically for traders. So write down your behaviors, see where you're lacking at, and then fix those behaviors. If you need a strategy, that same video kind of teaches you the strategy, just like a quick rundown of it. But I'm gonna have the mentorship's gonna have a course, so you can use a free trial and then watch the course. Let's see. So I like this tap, but I don't like how the zone was filled, and I don't like how the zone was respected, and this zone's in the zone. So I'm not gonna take this. Why do you trade the 5-second time frame? Okay, so look, I'll explain to you real quick. Um, the the mechanical strategy that I teach, it works on every single time frame. I can show you this 15-minute example real quick. So you see the sweep here. Okay, swing low, swing high, the sweep, tap, and then enter at 50% and take profit. It delivered the 15-minute. But the 15-minute zones take forever to show up. So I see so many more opportunity on the 5-second. You can see more opportunity on the 1-second, but I feel like on the 1-second I'm just gambling at that point. So I just become very selective on the 5-second. The 15-second is better than the 5-second for people who like don't have a grasp of their emotions, because the 15-second, you need a lot more patience, and zones are a lot more clear on the 15-second. But I'm trading the 5-second solely because there's a lot more opportunity, and I only trade from 9:40 to 11 o'clock Central Time, and sometimes 12:30 to 1:30 Central Time. So it's such a small window of time. I can find opportunity in that small window of time. And it sounds crazy hearing like someone trading the 5-second. It's not crazy at all when it's a mechanical strategy. So yeah, I'm just looking for the same thing again and again and again. I'm not trading anything else. It's the only thing I'm trading. Yeah, so this is kind of annoying. I wanted to go for that 1-minute zone right here, but it waked me out and then it went for it. It is what it is. Losses due to probability. This zone's been holding. I tried taking this trade earlier, but we got way too close to 50%. Let me show you. So when we cross this red line and touches blue line, it means that the zone has been filled for me, so I can't take the trade. So let's put that back to green. There we go. Oh, let's change this too. I don't need this anymore. There you go. Okay. I really want this one up here, but it seems like unnecessary because of how we've been reacting. I stopped trading at 11, so see if we can find something, but we more than likely won't. I'm liking this more and more now. See if it's reached standard deviation. When I say DV, yes it did. Let's see. I just don't like how we chopped the 50%. So we're just break even on the day. We would have been up 2 wins if I didn't go for the higher RR. Let's see. Okay. Took a whole lot of nothing. The strategy also works on any market in any time frame. So this you can just literally load up Bitcoin and you can find trades on Bitcoin. It's the exact same strategy. It works on every single market, every single time frame. Even like bonds and stuff. You can even see the same strategy on meme coins. Like, I'm not even kidding. You can literally look it up. Yeah. Is there we would recommend for the strategy? Is trading view a good option? I'm using TopStep X, so I really would take advantage of all these prop firms, the opportunity they offer nowadays. And TopStep X uses trading views charts. I don't use any indicators at all. I only use drawings. So you can use any platform you want. It just has drawings. I highly recommend TradingView just because of how easy it is. I have a link in the live stream and in like my other videos that gives you $15 off TradingView, so you can backtest on TradingView. You just can't backtest on TopStep X. You still need TradingView to do that. And if you do gonna do the prop firm route, do TopStep X because you can use 50 micros. You can't use 50 micros without TopStep X. It's only 5 micros. The platform honestly doesn't matter. Um, it just if you just depending on what prop firm you decide on. Oh, I don't know what you're trading right now or what you're doing, um, but I just really recommend getting. I push Top Step because it's so beginner friendly. You get a free practice account also with Top Step, so I highly recommend doing that. Get Top Step X, and then just trade on the practice account until you're consistent. Then you can switch to the combine or eval. Because after you get good at the skill, which is so easy to do, it's not hard. After you get at the skill, you can just pass any combine. And like it takes me less than 8 days to pass a combine, and then I'm funded. It's just so easy. Just master the skill first, and your life will change. It sounds so silly, but it's just the truth. I don't know why people make trading so complicated, especially like all these gurus and all these YouTube videos. Oh man, like I remember like looking for strategies and they're just so complex and so complicated. Like it's just so unnecessary. But it's today's world. I used Quantower for a while. If you see my backtest videos, I backtest on Quantower. But I highly recommend backtesting on TradingView. It's just so much easier. It's so much more smoother. But I have to backtest on Quantower so I can record and show my notes at the same time. I can't do that with TradingView. But if you're not live streaming recording, then obviously backtest on TradingView. Yeah. So the only setup I see is this right here. That's even if we come back up. Let's see, let me put my store position there. Case. I like TopStep X just because how user friendly and easy it is. And you can Concept X also has a copy trader, so you can copy trade your funded accounts and combines or like evals. So you can have up to 5 accounts. So if you make $200 on the day, you made 1,000. Trading futures responses. Um, if you message me on my Discord, you go in there and like you can need help understanding more things, let me know. Just tell me what you don't understand and I'll get it done. I made a video like explaining like everything, like understanding the candles and getting set up, but I never posted the video. Because I just like feel like it was unnecessary. Um, but if you want me to do it, I can do it. Just kind of ask me what questions you still have, and I'll get it done for you. Just take advantage of what I have to offer now. Mm. If you just started getting into trading futures, please, 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 don't start gambling. Don't start just throwing your money in. Learn the skill first. Master strategy, one strategy, nothing else, and then you can trade. After you master strategy, you start trading. If you start making emotional mistakes, you then need to work on your behaviors. And that video I posted, the 19 minutes to be profitable, I talk about the behaviors. Just write them down, see where you lack. Because like if you're feeding instant gratification, like on your phone, with your phone addiction, substance abuse addiction, don't get me wrong, I like video games, but it's also a video game addiction. Bad relationships, even if you're lying about, a lot of people too like lie about their trading progress. That's gonna take a toll on you. Just simply be honest. Like I need to take a step back. I need to practice more before I start trading again. It's easy. Everything is so simple. Everything's so common sense, but it's harder because you're doing this alone. No one's giving you guidance. Like you never really know what you're doing until you find a mentor. It's just a hard truth. And you can go down the YouTube rabbit hole, but I know it's difficult. And even if like I don't suit your style and you don't like me, go on YouTube and just look for one person that you really resonate with and like, and stick with that one person and nobody else. And give them your all for like 6 months, 7 months. And if they're not for you, move on to the next person. But I highly recommend finding a mechanical strategy. That's what I offer. That's what I teach. Because there's no need for you to be using your intuition and trying to guess, and you're just gambling. Just find a mechanical strategy that you can literally just repeat again and again and again. It seems like nothing's gonna happen till 11. I trade in an hour and 10 minutes after the market opens because volatility means how fast candles are moving. Volatility is stable. After 11 o'clock, specifically the future NQ, after 11 o'clock, volatility slows down a bunch. It doesn't pick back up again until 12:30 Central Time, but it's still a little bit unstable in the afternoon. So I normally try to avoid trading afternoon. But if I do trade afternoon, I take maybe one or less. I won't even take a trade most of the time. But if I do take a trade, it's one, maybe two. But it's been a while since I've taken 2 trades in the afternoon. It's just real nasty price action in the afternoon session. But I maintain a high win rate because I'm so selective. I'm paper trading mostly using support and resistance. I find this strategy very interesting. Yeah, I did the same thing with support and resistance and trying to do supply and demand, and like I never like fully understood what I was doing exactly. With support and resistance, like you don't, unless you do know, but you need to make it as mechanical as possible. And if not, just drop what you're doing and just focus on one mechanical strategy. Because with support and resistance, you're kind of just gambling. Like how many you need to have a consistent amount of points every single time into the trade. So you're not going to lose more than $200 every single trade you take. And it's hard to do that with support and resistance. Mm. So I try to make this a simple approach. I've been trading the strategy for so long, it's just so easy. Let's see, I could just draw it again and again. Okay, so I'll show you right now too. So here's a sweep right here. Sweep. So then swing high, swing low. I create the zone. I want to tap on the zone. I'll break a structure after the tap. 100% away from the zone. So two zones stacked on top of each other. 100% away. And then we enter at 50%. Take profit above. Stop one tick below. So easy. Let's do it again and again and again and again. And if we get more than 2 taps on the zone, we take the order off. Well, let me get rid of all these drawings. Yeah, if we don't get to here before 11, then I'm not going to take it. But I doubt we're going to even get up here. I'll leave it there just in case. Let's sell 5. Also, Charpy, if you find the strategy that's mechanical, if it's mine or anybody else's, just backtest it. Like, I'm not kidding, backtest it like 3 times a day for 2 weeks. I promise you, you'll master it. Just do it for 2 weeks, just the grunt work, backtest, 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 and you'll be good. Then you can just get a combine. You don't have to paper trade anymore. So you just did all the grunt work. This is so easy. You can change your entire life in a week. Master the scale, and then hop on a combine. Pass the combine, you're funded. I don't think we're gonna come back up. Seems like the volatility is already slowing down. Let's see here. Yeah. We're respecting the 15-minute zone, but we're just chopping it. Here's the zone right here. The one thing I don't like is I can't hide drawings on here. It won't let me. Yeah, I can only remove them. I can't hide them. Yeah, I don't see nothing. Well, there's something here, but obviously I'm not going to take it because it's real nasty. This is just one candle. Let's see. See, I kind of want more than one candle coming down here, but technically this is a swing. See if it reached standard deviation. 100% away from the zone. It did. Standard deviation. And looks like we're about to cross 11. Yeah, alrighty then. I'm gonna hop off now. Let's see. I think that this might fail just because how much we're respecting the zone. I'm gonna hop off. If you have any questions at all, hop in the Discord. Please ask me. Take advantage of what I have to offer. If you want to sit and watch, see if this gets filled, you can sit here and watch. Here's a swing high, swing low, sweep, tap on the zone, break a structure after the tap. Standard deviation 100% away from the zone is right here. So we want less than 2 taps on that zone. So we have 1 tap, that's okay. If we get another one, that's okay. If we get a third, that's not okay. We take the order off. I'll wait. I'll see if this zone gets filled just for education. Watch it not get filled and just chop away. Come on, buddy. Show us what you got, buddy. Oh yeah, I don't think it's coming back down. Also, too, like if I get a like if it taps, comes back up, it taps again. I won't clarify another tap unless we break that eternal swing. Look, I'll need it to come back up to break that eternal swing. Then I'll count this one as a tap. Get this out the way. It might not even fill the zone. Let's see. There it goes. Oops, wrong. Let's see if it fills 50 here. There, 50% got filled. And then you would have your take profit up here. Your stop loss 1 tick below. I don't like this though because the swing is just 1 down candle. I want more than 1 candle. At least like 2 to 3. See if it gets filled. We're just playing a game of probabilities, so we realistically don't know. So yeah, see how there's just 1 red candle. I don't like that. Yep, and it failed. This is exactly why I didn't take it. Alrighty, I'm hopping off now. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, if you have any questions at all, you need help or anything, anything, message me on the Discord. I'll help you. All right. T2IL, thank you for watching.